So yesterday you learned how to dilate an image on a coordinate plane given a scale factor. Today you're going to learn how to find the scale factor given the dilation that's already occurred. So in order to do that, you're going to first record one of the corresponding pairs of coordinates. Second, create a ratio with the x values in the coordinates such that the prime coordinate is in the numerator and the original coordinate is in the denominator. And then you're going to simplify the ratio. So for example, number 1, we have coordinate L. So in our prime coordinates, we can see we have negative 36 and 24. In my original coordinate, we have negative 12 and 8. So we want to figure out what happened to L to get L prime. So like I said before, we can take our x part of our coordinate. We have negative 36 and place it over negative 12 and simplify the ratio. A negative divided by a negative gives us a positive, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. So our scale factor is 3. We can compare it with the y part of the coordinate as well. If we do 24 divided by 8, we get 3 as well. Taking a look at number 2, same idea. We're going to start with the x, and we have e prime is 4 over regular e is 16. I can't divide by 4/16, or 16 by 4, so rather 4 by 16. So I'm going to simplify. 4 goes into both. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So my scale factor is 1/4. I can check it with the y part of the coordinate. Negative 1 over negative 4 would also be 1/4. Going on to number 3, same idea. We take the x in t prime, and we get 6. And the x in regular t, we have 9. 6 is not divisible by 9 or divided by 9 easily, so we're going to simplify. I know 3 goes into both 6 and 9. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2, and 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. So my scale factor should be 2/3. I'm going to check it with the y part of the coordinate, negative 10 over negative 15. Again, 10 is not divisible by 15, so I'm going to simplify, and I know 5 goes into both of those. A negative over a negative makes it a positive. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So again, I verified that my scale factor is 2/3. So you're going to go ahead and try number 4 on your own, and then return for example 5 and 6. Okay, so for number 5, we've already have our graphs completed, and we need to figure out the scale factor. So we have, oh no, sorry, you're doing 4 and 5 on your own. I'm going to do 6 with you in the graph. Okay, so if you need a minute to pause it, go ahead and pause it. You can finish 4 and 5. So now for number 6, we have the graph. We don't have the coordinates. So we want to compare the coordinates here. I know S is at 2, 5. And I know that S prime is way up here at the top. It's not showing in my graph, but S prime is at 2, 4, 6, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 6, 15. So I can rewrite that. We again use our prime over our original. So we have 6 divided by 2 or 15 divided by 5. In either case, I know the scale factor is 3. So you're on your own with the back half of the notes. I'll be around to help you out.